Living the life of a protector is about more than just concealing a gun. We don't know if a threat will come our way. We can only control how we react. So we train. With purpose. And repetition. To embed self-reliance into the daily routine. We only trust accurate and reliable tools to stay on point. To know our response will be right now or years from now. Our pistol needs a best-in-class trigger to ensure that a threat doesn't have the upper hand. So if we need to respond, it's just clockwork. It's just a reflex.